Hello, the main regret of my life. I wish I had traveled 2 years ago. I wish I had bought clothes for the cold. I wish Hank climbed on my grandmother's roof. If only I hadn't eaten so much bacon. How I have rectified them. A few days ago to tell my grandmother that when I was little I dreamed of traveling to many places, and 2 years ago I had the desire to do so, but there were some difficulties. So I decided to postpone it without knowing that we would be in a pandemic. I wish I could travel this year, if only the rest of them did not exist. But my grandmother answered that if it what I want, I should do it so as not to be regretting it for the rest of my life. If I had bought clothes for the cool in the promotion, I wouldn't be worried for my dress this year. By tomorrow I will go out to do some shopping so as not to be running. I wish Ham climbed onto my grandmother's roof. I, if only I had seen that there was a little stile I would have fallen off. Now better hire a refrainer. If I had eaten so much bacon on my mom's birthday, I would have gotten sick. Now I am going to be more careful with the portions.